What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. In this video, I'll tell you about the OnePlus. OnePlus announces two new affordable Nord phones. OnePlus has announced a pair of new phones for its mid-range Nord line, the Nord 10 5G and Nord 100. Both phones are below the existing OnePlus Nord in terms of specs and price. The Nord 10 5G starts at $412 and is powered by Snapdragon 690, while the Nord 100 starts at $235 in the same countries and is powered by a Snapdragon 460. Unlike the original Nord, which was only released in Europe and parts of Asia, OnePlus says the Nord 10 5G and Nord 100 will eventually launch in North America as well. The company has confirmed that both phones will be available there at a later date after their European release. OnePlus says the Nord 100 will arrive in the UK on November 10th, followed by the Nord 10 5G later in November. As the name suggests, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G is a 5G handset and it has 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of expandable storage. It actually has a slightly larger screen than the more expensive 6.49-inch OnePlus Nord screen, and it has the same 90Hz refresh rate. It has a rear mounted fingerprint sensor rather than a built-in sensor, but you get two stereo speakers, a feature that the Nord lacked. It has 4300 mAh battery which can be charged quickly with Warp Charge 30, and it comes with Android 10 out of the box. On the back of the Nord 10 5G, you will find a quad camera bundle that includes a 64 megapixel main camera, 119-degree ultra-wide camera, macro and monochrome cameras. Selfies are handled by 16 megapixel front camera. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.